Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular session we are going to talk on multiple aspects of NP Diploma. NP Diploma is a diploma course which is going to be launched from year 2021. This is the first time the counseling will be happening and the counseling will be taken care by NBE. We will talk about the seat matrix, total number of seats availability so far in different branches, tuition fee you need to pay, the stipend amount that you will get, how many branches they have included so far, and expected cutoff. So if you are interested to go for diploma, you can consider NB diploma also, and you watch the video until end to get all the information. If you are new to the channel, you must subscribe the channel. You can go through the playlist and the previous videos where you will find so many important videos covering all the aspects like All India Quota Counseling, MCC counseling process, state counseling process, cutoff for DNB, All India Quota, deemed universities, and many other state related videos for Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, many other states. If you want to avail our paid guidance services, you can also avail it. As part of paid guidance service, we will provide you the counseling guidance where each and every responsibility of your counseling will be covered by us, and you just need to follow the guidelines and do the manual processing, filling the form and all such things. The paid guidance service will be available until you get the seat. In case due to any reason you don't choose to get a seat in this year, then next year also in the same cost you will able to get the services. So let's start with the NB diploma is how many branches they have added. For the first year they have added only 8 branches, and these all information that I am providing to you is taken from their information bulletin they have launched. I will put the information bulletin in the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group from the description. In the description you can find various other important details like e-books for deemed universities, last year cutoff and tuition fee, all the details. Deemed and DNB complete details is available in another ebook for all the list of hospitals, its ranking, cutoff, number of beds, and all plethora of information. Radio diagnosis, pediatrics, obs and gynae, ophthalmology, TB and chest, anesthesia, family medicine, ENT. These are the 8 clinical branches are added. There is no clinical branches available in NB diploma, so it's a great opportunity for them who want to complete DNB diploma degree, diploma course from any of these branches, and it is going to be equivalent to PG diploma. And this post MBBS diploma course is taken from its information bulletin, this 8 branches. Now let's take a look at the seat matrix, total seats availability. So in radio branch the accreditation is still going on. They will add some more seats, and it's not like once the counseling process starts, the addition of seat process stops there until round 2, round 3. Still they will keep adding seats. It's not applicable only for NB diploma, but if you talk about government seats or seats in private colleges, deemed university, they keep on adding, and even after round 2 still you can see seat got added. Last year in state Rajasthan private colleges got new seats after cutoff revision in the mop-up round. So you can see the seat is not limited as of now. It will keep on adding during the counseling process also. Based on the approval they get, some seats addition is pending in the code. So as soon as you get clearance from the code, they will get added into the institution. So radio branch has got 27 seats in 10 different hospitals. And you can also read out in the information bulletin what are the minimum criteria to approve the application which came from hospital side to start NB diploma in their hospital. So that's each and everything is mentioned in the bulletin. For pediatrics, there are 126 seats are available in 37 different hospitals. TB and chest, there are 30 seats in 11 different hospitals. Obs and gynae, you have good number of seats, 175 in 43 different hospitals. Ophthalmology, 62 seats in 22 different hospitals. Anesthesia has got 113 seats in 31 different hospitals. ENT, 49 seats in 14 hospitals, and family medicine has got 120, which is big number for branch like family medicine. It has less number of seats across India, including government and private institution, but in NB diploma it has got 120 seats in 12 different hospitals. So totally 712 seats are available so far. The number can go beyond 1000 depending on the approval and is subjected to approval. So time will tell how many seats are there and how the counseling process is going to be this time, because it's first time, so no prediction about it that when the counseling will start. It will be taken care by NBE. NBE is to conduct the counseling process for DNB. DNB got merged with the All India Quota and Deemed University, Central University's counseling process, and the authority is MCC. Now NB has the responsibility to conduct NB diploma counseling process. Let's talk about the fee structure. Fee structure is just 1.25 lakhs per year, same as DNB, and this is the breakup. Academic fee is 75,000, library charges 15,000 per year, annual appraisal fee 15,000, accommodation charges 20,000, and totally is 1,25,000. So fee is very less. It's like any government college fee structure. How much monthly stipend that you will be getting? The monthly stipend you will be getting around 35,000 in the first year and 37,000 in the second year, and it's taken from the information bulletin, NB diploma information. According to NB stipend policy, there is a policy that has been decided by NB. The hospital, it's applicable for DNB as well as NB diploma, any courses that is getting done from hospital. The hospital shall have to pay the diploma trainee a basic stipend prescribed by NB or the basic stipend according to state government policy, whichever is higher. So there is a basic stipend amount which is prescribed by NB, and there is basic stipend amount for particular state government. Okay, so whichever is higher, that minimum they need to pay, and minimum stipend prescribed by NB for post MBBS diploma, first year 35,000 per month and second year 37,000 per month. Now let's talk about expected cutoff score. I am just giving you a rough idea, because the cutoff score for NB diploma will be lower compared to DNB. So based on that I have created so that you can get some idea. Since all branches are clinical, and you can expect to get any of these branches in diploma if you have minimum score of 385 as per my analysis and prediction. Radio will be available up to the rank of 10,000, and you need to have a score of 520. Region, there are less number of seats in radio, and the branch is also very demanding. Pediatrics can be available. Pediatrics and TB and chest can be available between the rank of 20 to 25,000, and the score should be between 46 to 485. Obs and gynae can be available between rank of 25,000 to 27,000, and your score need to be between 460 to 465. Ophthalmology, if you have rank between 30 to 35,000, you can expect to get ophthalmology in NB diploma, and your score need to be between 425 to 450. This rank versus score is all based on the analysis that we have done in the previous videos, rank versus score mapping. Anesthesia may be available in the rank of 35 to 40,000, and the score should be 400 to 425. ENT in the score of 30 to 35,000, and your score should be around 425 to 450. The last one, family medicine, it has got more number of seats. it can be available up to rank of 45,000 and in the score of 385 to 400. So you can keep NB diploma also an option depending on your all the criteria. If you are desperately looking for a clinical seat and you don't have a budget for private colleges, even low budget private colleges, you want to go for government DNB also only, then you need to keep NB diploma as an option, so that you can get a seat from here as well. And depending on when the counseling is going to start for NB diploma, the cutoff will vary. If the counseling started in parallel with MCC or state rounds, then the cutoff may be high, but if it starts later, after like couple of rounds is completed for state and MCC, then it will go low. Okay, so that's it from my side, and if you have any kind of question, you can message us or call us. In case I don't pick the call, please message on WhatsApp so that you get a reply. Thanks for watching and have a great day.